Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bitpanda's account. Watch the video till the end. To log into your Bitpanda's account, firstly open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in bitpanda.com and make a search. It will take you to the official page of Bitpanda. Click on the sign up option at the top right side of the page. On the next page, tap on Login. Now to log into your Bitpanda's account, enter your email address and password associated with your Bitpanda's account and click on Login. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot your password. This is how you can log into your Bitpanda's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.